with the tic-tac-toe board application. The data structure used is a dictionary. Dictionary data structure is used to solve tic-tac-toe board application. You can see tic-tac-toe board this way. Okay, this is the top left position of the tic-tac-toe board. This is top middle. This is top right. This is middle left, middle R, lower left, lower middle, and lower R. Okay, these are all different positions of the tic-tac-toe board. Okay, these different positions can be taken as keys. These different positions can be taken as keys of the tic-tac-toe board. And at the beginning, we are going to store blank in the tic-tac-toe board. Okay, so you can see this data structure. You can see tic-tac-toe board data structure in the dictionary this way. Okay, the board is the dictionary name, and at the beginning, in different position, only blank is stored. Top L having blank, top M having blank, top R having blank, middle L having blank, middle M having blank, middle R having blank, lower left having blank value. Like that, there are different 9 positions in the tic-tac-toe board. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 positions having blank in the tic-tac-toe board. And then how this application can be solved? That we have written the program in the Jupyter. You can see here, okay, in the Jupyter notebook, the data structure, the board, which contain all the keys of different 9 positions, and values are blank and at the beginning. Okay, values are blank at the beginning. This is the function print board. Print board function defines the printing of the tic-tac-toe board. Okay, what is printed in the tic-tac-toe board? At the beginning, tic-tac-toe board has to be displayed. To display tic-tac-toe board with the different positions, okay, different 9 positions, the print method is used with the just blank values. There is no value at the beginning in the tic-tac-toe board. Therefore, see here, at the left position there is blank, and then afterwards there is pipe operator. Next middle position comes, next pipe operator, next right position comes, and in the next row, when you have to go to next row, you are going to print this hyphen plus, okay, one line with the 5 characters. And next, see, after top position, middle position comes. Next, after one line, lower position comes. Okay, now how this board will be displayed? You can see by running the program. Okay, run, see this board. Okay, see, this is a top left position of the board, this is a top middle, this is a top right position. Afterwards there is a line, and then a middle L, middle M, middle R. Okay, lower L, lower middle, lower R. Okay, these are all different positions. Okay, in this way first tic-tac-toe board is printed. Okay, this define word to just print a tic-tac-toe board. At the beginning all the values are blank, therefore only blank tic-tac board is displayed. Now when you are going to program this tic-tac-toe board, you know that there are 9 positions in the tic-tac-toe board. We are going to fill values in the tic-tac-toe board. Okay, there are 9 positions. With what values the tic-tac-toe board has to be filled? With x and zeros. Okay, at the beginning we are taking turn equal to x. Okay, turn is nothing but a value that should be filled in the tic-tac-toe board. At the beginning turn value is x. Okay, now in the for loop we are calling print board function at the beginning. At the beginning print board function we are calling, which displays the board with blank values at the beginning. Okay, print board function is called by displaying blank value. Okay, this is the dictionary name, the board. Okay, is passed as parameter here board, and here board is taken as a dictionary name in the function. Okay, the board is at the beginning blank. It is blank at the beginning. Now when you are going to display something on the board, okay, when you are going to display something on the board, you have to input. Okay, to input there is a print message first. Okay, turn for Okay, turn for which turn. Which turn means which position. Entering the position is very important. You have to enter position. Okay, if you input the position, positions are nothing but top L, top M, top R, middle L, middle M, middle R, low L, low M, low R. Okay, all 9 positions are there. When you are going to fill something in some position, when you are going to fill X or 0 in the position, you have to input turn. Okay, turn either top L, top M, top R, middle L, middle M, middle R, in that way. Okay, first you enter the position. That position will be taken through input function. Okay, and it is stored to move. Position will be stored to move. Okay, variable move. Now the board is the dictionary name. The board, move is the key. Key is either top L, top M, middle M, middle R. Okay, see, these are all the keys. Top L, top M, top R, middle L. Any one key you are going to input. Top L. For example, consider you are going to input top L. TOP hyphen L. Okay, that TOP hyphen L is taken as the key. You are going to fill the position top L. Okay, top L, which you are already inputted. That is a position. Now that becomes the key of the dictionary. Now in that position, the board of top L is nothing but top left position of the board equal to turn. Turn is what? At the beginning it is X. X will be filled. X will be filled in the top L position. Now in the next movement, you have to fill the X 0, correct? In the next movement you have to fill the 0. Okay, now here it is checking if turn equal to X, then turn equal to 0. If turn equals to X, then make turn equal to 0. Otherwise, if turn equal to 0, else condition satisfies, then turn becomes X. Now what this does, when turn equal to X, it makes turn equal to 0. If turn equal to 0, it makes turn equal to X. Okay, that either X or 0 need to be filled in the board. Okay, tic-tac-toe board. Now either the turn will be X or 0. Okay, that will be moved to or filled in the position move. And then the print board function is called with the dictionary the board. You know that the board having now one value in the particular move or in particular position. Okay, that position, okay, that position with the value, that position with the value will be transferred to print board function and dictionary will be printed once again. Now we see how this program work. Okay, see, we have already executed the program. It is displaying the tic-tac-toe board in this way. Now it is asking input turn for X, because at the beginning turn equal to X now. For turn X, what's the position, move on which space. Now you have to give proper position. Okay, that proper position you have to give as key, because top L, okay, top L is the key. Okay, key because it is string, you have to enter it in single quote. Okay, top L, input, top L is the key. Okay, key is the top L. Now you inputted top L and it is stored to move. And if you press enter, you know, in the top L position, that X will be displayed. Okay, top L position, X will be displayed. If you don't give the position properly, then X will not be displayed in that position. Okay, see, it displays, it has to display X in the top L position. Okay, if the position or key is not given properly, see, top hyphen capital L, top hyphen capital L, then only your position will be filled with the X. Now we give the position as see, I am going to input position as top M. Okay, top hyphen M, enter, top hyphen M. Now top hyphen M is the key, correct? Is it displaying top hyphen M? No. Okay. Okay. Why it is not filling the tic-tac-toe board with the values? Because we are giving it in single quote. No need to give single quote. Give the position in without single quote. For example, top hyphen L. Okay. Enter. See. Top L position filled with the X. Okay. Top L position filled with the X and it printed tic-tac-toe board. And now next move it is asking. Now I give middle M. Okay. Middle M. MID hyphen M. Mid M. Okay. Enter. See. First it filled with 0. Now it is filling with the, sorry. First it filled with the X. Now it is filling with the 0 in the middle M position. This is middle M position. Previous was top L position. Now if you try to give position, next position, what position you want to give? For example, lower R. Okay. Low L. Correct now. Key you have to give properly. If you want to get what are the keys? See, low L, key value, key is this way. Okay. Value you are going to input. Sorry, value you are not inputting. You are just inputting the key. Enter. See. Lower left position is this. It is filled with the X. Now, once again, if you enter the position, which position you want to fill? Do you want to fill in this position? This position? This position is top M. Top hyphen M. Enter. See. Top M filled with 0. Okay, once it fills with 0, next it fill with the X. But you are just giving keys. Okay. Now, right position. Right position is top R. Top R, if you give key, only key you have to input. Top R, enter. See, top R now filled with the X. Like that, once it fills with the X, next time it filled with the 0. Okay. Now, which position is pending? This position. Now, this position is middle L. Mid hyphen L. Okay. Then enter. See, middle L position. And next this position is middle R. MID hyphen R. Enter. Okay. See. Now filling of tic-tac-toe board is over. Filling of tic-tac-toe board is over. See, we missed the first 2 points now. First 2 position we missed. Therefore, see, this 2 position is now not going to fill. But 9 iterations over now. 9 iteration, because this program works with the 9 iteration. Okay. 9 iterations over. In that 9 iteration, we have to fill all 9 positions. Okay. This is how the tic-tac-toe board program works. Okay. For all 9 iterations. And those who won the tic-tac-toe board, that program has to be written properly. This program won't give the winning position. It just fills the board with the X and zeros. Okay. This is about tic-tac-toe board.